babies. That's Leanne and Rooster. There's two of your buddies. It's raining, Daisy. I don't know where your buddies are. Oh, there they are. They're way out there. They're way out there. Do you see them? I hope you pooped. This is your opportunity. Would you go poop, please? Now, if they come back later on any platform and tell me that the sound of rain is copyrighted, I think I'm going to have to tell them to take the matter up with God. That's what I think. What do you think, Daisy? Did she or didn't she? That's the question. Can I have a poop for 800, Alex? Please? Okay, the verdict is, I don't know. She either did it while she was off leash, and I didn't see it because I was on the phone, or she didn't do it. So, did she poop? I don't know. You have slobber all over your snout. You know that? You have slobber everywhere. Here, show your slobber face. Here it is.